Hi, today I want to show you a pure Symfony solution based on Symfony MX products together with Virtuosys. The solution consists of two WS300 stations, an OD10 and an ID5. The solution I want to show is a simple queue handling info calls, emergency calls, input messages, means status information of the system. So let's have a look on the first example, an information call arriving on two control desks listed in a queue and processed by this queue. So that's now an information call arriving on two control desks. Either you accept the call on the OD10 or on the ID5, doesn't matter. The handling of the queue is done automatically by the system. I accept the call here on the OD10. Then I have audio and video. If you have a look on the ID5, the queue is empty because no other calls are yet in the system. In the next example, I want to show you two calls in parallel arriving on two control desks. So we have the information call. The second call is a special call, is an emergency call, so it should be on top of this list. Now we have two calls in the queue on two control desks. We can accept the emergency call on the OD10. If you have a look on the queue on the ID5, only one call is there. I can accept the second call here. Now we have two conversations with audio and video. If this call is ended and we have a look on the queue, it's empty, the whole system is in idle. The next topic I want to show are status informations from the system. I'd like to do that with the example of a door status. If you have a look on the OD10 and on the ID5, the queue is empty at the moment, no active calls, but what happens if I open the door? Now we have an input message on the control desk. Let's have a look how it looks like. So we can see this alarm here now in the display. We can accept this alarm. The door is still open. The moment this message is only acknowledged. If the door is closed, no active calls anymore. It's important to know if the system is fully in operation. For that, I want to show the example line monitoring. Back to our queue. No active calls at the moment, everything fully in operation. If we have a look on the WS300, maybe the cable is broken. We can see that station is offline now. If we have a look on the queue, the message to indicate a line fault of the WS300 station will be displayed here in the queue. The operator can acknowledge that message, and as soon as the station is repaired by the technician, the message will be out of the queue and the system is back in full operation. Now you can see the station is online and we have no active calls anymore. System is full in operation.